Today on JCM Academy Masterclass, we're going to talk about how do you make a decision between something that sounds really great and something that might seem a little better, but when you go back and forth, they seem to get confusing as to which one should have a higher priority. Stay tuned. I'll see you in class. Hi everyone, I'm John C. Morley, serial entrepreneur, your business coach, and welcome to another JCM Academy Masterclass. You've probably been asked to do something in your life, or maybe you've had a choice to go somewhere. Maybe it was a game, or maybe it was a relationship. Then you had something equally fun, or something that seemed like it was more important, or that you would have a great experience there too. However, you're torn between, do you go with your friends? Do you go with your family? Do you go with a date? Do you go out with your friends because you want to go to a concert? Or do you take this path to get your business to succeed? Or do you take an entirely new one? See, these are daunting questions, and you and I are not the first people that have ever had this problem. Surprise, surprise. So there are lots of ways to identify priorities in a decision. But here's one of my favorite ones. You take a sharpie or a marker, take a piece of paper, and just like I'm doing like this, I'm going to write on one side the plus and one side the minus, okay? Pretty easy. So on the first side, let's say, for example, you would put at the top that you were going to go to a concert, okay? And so just to decide if this was something of importance, you'd write all the pros. Well, I would get to meet X singer, whoever that is. The minus is I'm gonna have to stay up late to finish my homework. And you get the idea. So what normally happens is you get a whole bunch of pluses just like this, all right? And then you get a whole bunch of minuses. Well, if you have more pluses, and you did a couple of these, the ones that have more pluses would tell you that that's probably the one you should be choosing. So if it was a question of going to the concert and I have 22 pluses and this only has 3, I guess I should go to the concert, right? But the important thing is that you have to be honest with yourself. Things you're gonna like, things you're not gonna like. If you do this, some of the greatest people and presidents of our time have used this method to invent things that you probably didn't know were even going to exist. Use this decision-making method every single day, and you'll be surprised how you'll be able to get more control back in your life, and others won't be able to influence you because you know the real reason why you should do or not do something. Start doing this every day. It'll change your life. Thanks so much for tuning in to another JCM Academy Masterclass. Like, love, and support my channel. Comment below. What would you like to see me talk about in the next JCM Academy Masterclass? If we use your thought, we'll be sure to credit and thank you in the next show. Of course, I would love you to tag your friends, colleagues, and associates and share this out with everyone you know on social media. But then go to my YouTube channel, and below it, click on the link for PayPal and make the choice to buy my team and I a savory hot cup of hot cocoa and maybe a delicious piece of pie. Either way, we'll be grateful with those pennies and dollars you invest in us. We'll put that into new hardware, new technology, new software, new equipment, even new facilities to give you the most jaw-dropping, motivational content to empower and fuel your life. So remember, the next time you have a quandary of, do I do it or do I not do it? Put your decision chart out. Start creating pluses and minuses. You don't need technology to do this. You do it on a plane, and you can do it outside. You can do it anywhere. Make it a habit, and you'll have the power to get control over your life. I'll see you in another JCM Academy Masterclass real soon.